Can you understand English but freeze when it's time to speak? You know the words, you know the grammar, but when someone asks you a simple question, your mind goes blank because you're translating every sentence in your head. Here's the good news. You don't need to memorize thousands of new words. You simply need to train your brain to think in English. In today's lesson, I'll show you 4 simple techniques that can help you stop translating and start speaking more naturally. Let's get started. Imagine someone asks you, "What did you eat for breakfast?" Many English learners do this. Think in their native language, translate every word in English, finally answer. That process takes time, and those few extra seconds make speaking feel difficult. Instead, train yourself to answer directly with simple English. I had eggs. I ate bread. I skipped breakfast. Notice how short and natural those answers are. You don't need perfect English. You need fast, simple English. Wait, before we continue, I have a quick challenge. Don't think in your native language. Answer in English. Go ahead. Answer out loud. If you had to translate first, don't worry. That's exactly what we're fixing today. Now, let's learn the first technique. Many learners believe they must use difficult words to sound fluent. That's not true. Instead of saying, "I was extremely exhausted," simply say, "I was very tired." Instead of, "I purchased a new smartphone," say, "I bought a new phone." Simple English is powerful because it's fast. The easier your words are, the easier your brain can think in English. Let me show you something interesting. Close your eyes for 1 second. Think about an apple. What appeared in your mind? Did you see a picture of an apple? Or did you first think of the word in your native language? Fluent English speakers usually imagine the picture first. That's exactly how you want your brain to work. From today, connect English words with pictures instead of translations.
The second technique.
Look around your room. Describe everything you see. The chair is next to the table. My phone is on the desk. The window is open. My bag is black. Don't worry about mistakes. The goal isn't perfect grammar. The goal is to think directly in English. The more you practice, the faster your brain becomes. You have only 3 seconds to answer. No translating. Ready? What's your favorite movie? 3, 2, 1. Say your answer out loud. Excellent. Every time you answer quickly, you're training your brain to think in English.
Think in English during your day. When you wake up, think, "I'm waking up. I need to brush my teeth. I'm making breakfast. I'm going to work. I'm feeling happy today." These simple thoughts build an English habit. You don't need a classroom. You don't need a teacher beside you. Just think in English throughout your day. Little by little, your confidence will grow. Quick speaking practice. Let's practice together. Answer each question immediately. Don't translate. Question 1. What's your favorite food? Question 2. What are you doing this weekend? Question 3. Where you want to travel? Question 4. What did you do yesterday? Great job! The faster you answer, the more naturally you'll speak English. Here's something many people don't realize. Children don't learn their first language by translating. They learn by connecting words with pictures, actions, and experiences. You can train your brain exactly the same way with English. Practice a little every day and you'll be surprised by how much easier speaking becomes. Today you learned how to stop translating every sentence, use simple English, think with pictures instead of translations, describe the world around you, and practice speaking quickly every day. Remember, fluency isn't about speaking perfect English. It's about thinking directly in English. If you practice these techniques for just 10 minutes a day, you'll notice real improvement over time. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to BB English Cast, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new English lesson. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.